Imagine trying to build the safest possible investment portfolio from 1,000 different stocks. The core challenge isn't just picking good stocks, but understanding how they all move together. Do they rise and fall in unison, or does one go up when another goes down? This complex web of relationships, known as the covariance matrix, is the key to minimizing risk. The problem is, this map is usually drawn using historical data, which is notoriously noisy and a poor guide for the future. For decades, this has been a major headache in finance, especially as portfolios grow larger. This paper introduces a clever solution that uses a custom-built neural network to tackle this exact problem. Instead of creating another black box AI that no one can understand, the researchers designed a model whose architecture actually mirrors the classic mathematical formula for a minimum risk portfolio. This means they can see exactly what each part of the network is doing. The model's one and only goal, which it learns end-to-end, is to minimize the portfolio's actual, real-world future risk. Here's how it works. The AI learns to do two things at once. First, it figures out the best way to interpret historical stock returns. Second, and this is the secret sauce, it learns how to clean the covariance matrix. It systematically adjusts the key components of the risk map, the eigenvalues and volatilities, to filter out the noise and keep the stable, predictive signals. The network is also rotation invariant, a technical property that essentially makes it more robust and less likely to be fooled by random fluctuations in the market data. The results are stunning. The researchers trained the model on panels of a few hundred stocks and then, without any retraining, applied it to a massive portfolio of 1,000 US stocks. It worked flawlessly, a remarkable feat of generalization that most machine learning models can only dream of. In backtests running from 2000 to 2024, the AI-generated portfolio consistently had lower volatility, smaller drawdowns during market crashes, and higher Sharpe ratios, a measure of risk-adjusted return, than the most advanced analytical methods used by professionals today. To prove its practical value, they put it through a brutal, real-world simulation that included transaction fees, slippage from trade execution, and financing costs for leverage. Even under these realistic constraints, the model's advantage held strong. While this AI is designed to be interpretable, the complexity of its learned strategy is still high. The most profound finding, however, is its versatility. The cleaned risk map it produces can be taken out of the model and plugged into other standard optimizers, where it continues to dominate the competition. This research raises a fascinating question. Are we on the verge of a new paradigm where AI doesn't just follow financial rules, but rewrites the rulebook itself? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI research made simple.